Most people think a credit score is just a number, something that matters only when you apply for a loan or a credit card. But in reality, that number quietly influences far more of your life than most people ever realize. Your credit score follows you. It tracks how you borrow, how you pay, and how consistently you manage money. And over time, it begins opening or closing doors that you may not even be aware exist. A low score doesn't just affect the interest rates you pay. It can affect whether you are approved for a rental, a mortgage, or even certain jobs. It can impact insurance rates, utilities, and sometimes even dating or social opportunities. Most people underestimate how much control it has over their life because the rules are hidden. Banks, lenders, and institutions know exactly what a number can tell them about risk, and they use it to predict your future behavior. Your credit score essentially becomes a financial reputation. It says more about your reliability than your income or assets. It is one of the most powerful tools in the financial system, quietly dictating terms for millions of people. The problem is, most people aren't taught how it works. They pay bills late. They borrow without strategy. They close old accounts thinking it improves their score. All of these actions, seemingly small, accumulate over time, and the consequences are more significant than they realize. A poor credit score can create cycles of stress. Higher interest rates lead to higher payments. Higher payments reduce savings and investment potential. Reduced savings limit opportunities, and the cycle continues. Meanwhile, those who understand credit leverage it. They know how to maintain accounts strategically. They understand how utilization ratios, payment history, and length of credit affect the score. They know how to time applications and manage debt in ways that boost opportunities instead of limiting them. A good credit score is not just about borrowing. It is about freedom. It allows choices. It reduces costs. It gives options when others face obstacles. Many people remain unaware of how much influence this number has because they focus only on income or savings. They think that working harder or earning more is enough. But without a good credit score, income alone can be less effective. It controls everything from access to capital to everyday expenses. A simple number dictates how much banks trust you, and in turn, how easy it is to move through life financially. The truth is uncomfortable. Most financial problems aren't caused solely by income or spending habits. They are caused by ignorance of how the system evaluates you. Understanding your credit score is not optional if you want financial freedom. It is one of the most important pieces of knowledge you can acquire. With awareness comes control. You can manage credit strategically. You can reduce costs. You can position yourself for opportunities that others will struggle to access. Credit scores can feel invisible, but they are constantly shaping your reality. They influence how the system treats you and what options are available at any given time. The wealthy understand this principle. They maintain excellent scores not out of vanity, but because it gives them leverage. They borrow intelligently when advantageous. They access opportunities at lower costs. They move more freely within the financial system than the average person. Most people, however, remain unaware. They accept high interest, misapprovals, or costly financial products because they never realize the number controlling it all. Breaking free requires education. Understanding how scores are calculated, how behaviors influence them, and how to improve them gives power. Once you know how it works, the score stops being a source of stress. It becomes a tool, a way to open doors, reduce costs, and strategically manage finances. This knowledge changes everything. It allows you to step out of cycles of financial struggle. It allows you to approach life with more freedom, choice, and confidence. A credit score is not just a number. It is a measure of trust, a gatekeeper, and a powerful influence over the trajectory of your life. Ignoring it keeps you limited. Understanding it empowers you. And the moment you realize how much control it has, you can begin using it to your advantage. You can stop reacting to the system and start directing your own financial future. In the next video, I'll reveal how hidden banking fees quietly take your money and what the system doesn't want you to notice.